If you are worried about retirement plan, what you will do, you can start banking with your friend circle, and you can start like digital one, because digital market has captured a lot of customers. And yes, this bank is looks like a friend circles management. This bank is a fast growing startup in remote area, we can say. And in that case, it's a holding long term experience, whether it looks like a startup or registration late in case of banking sector. Yes, they have implemented very immediate lots of plan into the action. So that's the reason this bank is going to open up their IPO issue on this month end. Right now you can see there are a lot of banking are available in case of digital, like Pine Lab, Paytm, Razorpay, Buildex, M-Swipe, Pay Nearby, Phone Pay, Google Pay, MobiWik, PayU. And right now we are going to elaborate about Fino Payment Bank. See, this Fino Payment Bank looks like very startup kind of company, but their management is having a strong long-term experience, and yes, they are having a tie-ups too. So if you see properly, this Fino Payment Banks is a digital bank from India's lot of remote area. They capture it. It's not a remote area, but it's not tier 1 metro 2. Yeah, yes, where they find a large number of client base too. And right now we are going to talk about this bank, Ridhvesh Finance, presenting Fino Payment Bank IPO 2021. Fino Payment Bank Limited company detail. We are presenting this bank detail. Basically, Fino Fintech Foundation has started in the year of 2007 on June 23rd. Fino Payment Fintech Private Limited and changed their name in the year of 2015 as a Fino Fintech Limited on December 15th. They have fresh certificate on 3rd February 2017, where they are based in Mumbai, means their management basically. Fino Paytech Limited has granted principal and established payment banking by RBI pursuant its letter dated September 7th 2015. Subsequently, our bank received final approval RBI to carry on the business payment bank on March 30, 2017. Pursuant to receipt approval by RBI, the name of bank has changed Fino Payment Bank Limited. Fresh certificate on 4th April 2017. The registered company in Maharashtra, Mumbai. Our bank commenced business operation June 30, 2017, where this included second schedule to the RBI Act pursuant notification issue. RBI dated January 1st, 2021, published Gazette of India, Part 3, Section 4, dated February 13 till February 19, 2021. Fino Finance Private Limited is a group of Fino Payment Bank Limited. This company has having corporate office at Mindspace, Juinagar, plot number GEN 2/1/F Tower, 8th floor, TTC Industrial Area, MIDC, Shirvane, Juinagar, Navi Mumbai 400706. You can contact on their number 9122 7104 7000. Website is finobanks.com. We are going to talk about Fino Payment Bank IPO detail. IPO opening date will be 29th October 2021. IPO closing date November 2nd 2021. Issue type is book build. Issue IPO face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO price band between 560 to 577 per equity shares. Market lot size will be 25 shares per. Minimum order quantity is 25 share. Listing at BSE and NSE. Basis of allotment date 9th November 2021. Initiation of refund will happen on 10th November 2021. Credit of share to your demat account will be happen on 11th November 2021, and IPO listing date will be 12th November 2021. We are going to talk about Fino Payment Bank subscription prediction, special statistic about given by Vridhi Finance, and expected subscription between minimum 25% and maximum it can goes up to 65%. Please keep watch on Grey Market Strategy, market risk on own decision. Dear investors, if you see the banking products is really long term holding over having short term gain on the day of listing. So you can, if you see long term investor, then you can invest it, or if you think it is okay, then you can invest it after listing too. We are focusing Fino Payment Tech Limited and their evaluation with inception. Financial Inclusion Network operation, that is meaning of Fino, has started technology company and developing technology solution comprise key employees including Rishi Gupta as MD and CEO on 7 September 2015. Fintech Paytech Limited was granted in principle of approval payment bank, and the following on the April 2017 commenced as a payment bank. We is affected on June 2017 pursuing RBI approval and March 30, 2017. The Fino brand is the existing commencement publish our business operation. Mr. Gupta is a key employee of Fino Paytech Limited. Benefit of operation experience gained throughout the time. The model in the particularly beneficiary such combine as Mr. Gupta key management personnel including Ketan Dhirendra Merchant, Chief Financial Officer, Ashish Ahuja, Chief Operating Officer, Shailesh Pandey, Chief Sales Officer. We believe combination of our experienced management team is a board of director and promoter shareholder of Fino Paytech Limited is address across geographical area of industry expertise. 2017 a strong focus on developing innovative financial product and service tailor suits unique problem face market, recently becoming a profitable fourth quarter of financial 2020. Their mission is preferred bank for our customer to providing simplest and most accessible financial service to grow with their wealth. Our mission is catalyze national building by making every citizen financially secure. We are currently whole own subsidiary of Fino Paytech Limited, whose principal shareholder including marquee investors such as ICICI Bank Limited, Intel Capital Corporation Limited, Finance, HAV Holding, that is Mauritius Limited, Blackstone GPV Capital Partner Mauritius, VIB FDI Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Our strength, our DTP framework, technology focused business model with advantage of digital platform, customer centric and innovation of core of business, and assets light scalable business model, operational experience and expertise, a social inclusive model with a positive social impact, and highly experienced committed leadership team supported marquee investors based in our promoter shareholding. The DTB framework is enabled serve our target market efficiently and design achieve improvement on the three key challenges. One is the scale, significant investment of time and capital required to deploy infrastructure needed, establish necessary geography, reach, service high levels upfront, continue customer service required to build, maintain amongst all community in we operate, and target sustainability. The customized range of product required meet need of target market. The framework created network facility seamlessly interplay between each distribution technology and partnership with respect to distribution, having access in vast established merchant network, ability to draw upon the strong relationship and trust within communities, and a dedicated and focused branch network and a large BC network. Technology. Fi Digital model is a product dedicated mobile banking application merchant and customer neo banking mindset digital onboarding eKYC in our house technology expertise and culture of application led innovation which includes proprietary technology partnership leveraging increased reach of strategic commercial relationship product portfolio expansion opportunity greater customer source and leveraging operating bank regime via our API. So this is they are showing the API basically in this framework differentiate us from our competitor. Difficult to replicate promoter promotes effective delivery. Our products reinforce positive customer experience, facilitate strong relationship, and improve operational strategic decision and making innovative product for our customer. A technology focus on business model and advanced digital platform. Continue technology through the business such as investment made with the goal to offer an unparalleled user experience to our customer, empower management to carry more transaction according to simplicity services product and efficiency deployment are important factor for us, both which is believe are demonstrated in our BPay app. We are onboard merchant eKYC for Cash Bazaar initiative, assist in identifying merchant location and directing customers for the nearest merchant outlet. Our in-house technology expertise and culture application-led innovation provide an attractive value proposition to our stakeholders. Currently, we equipped with the reporting process automation based on the process and backend SaaS dashboard for analytical and demand forecasting, fraud risk management system for fraud detection, other security system network of servers. In 2017, we have made an investment in our technology infrastructure, having designed and digitized large portion of our technology process, risk management protocol, data analytics capability, and honed our Fi Digital approach. In financial 2019, 2020, and 2021, we recorded rupees 139.33 million to rupees 228.68 million and rupees 669.30 million respectively capital expenditure connection with the technology infrastructure. We also focused on providing intuitive personalized experience both customer merchant level. For instance, We provide ability to originate saving banks account through our mobile application, that is Fino Pay Digital. Utilize unified payment interface, that is UPI, for secure, fast and personal banking and merchant payment. Among the functions of the target retail customer during financial year 2021, 9% request made through Fino Pay converted to saving account customer. Fino Mitra apps serve as a one-stop solution for merchant by providing banking payment related services such as account opening, whereby merchant can on Khasa customer and navigate eKYC behalf of us. We have dedicated business technologies with approximately 101 technical staff in March 31st, 2021. Research, test and develop technology. This team is led by head of business technology, and our CIO is responsible for driving our technology solution. Our customer focus on offering a self-assisted channel such as a web portal, handheld service and other channels like mobile wallet, internet banking, APS, micro ATMs and other drive significant operating efficiencies. Our technology led opportunity also provide us with the following benefits. Ownership of a system and application enable us to adapt or create a new product feature and deploy them to the market quickly. End-to-end visibility and control over various technology functions and application has contributed high level of core platform availability. Minimal reliance on third party system. Actually it may be depending. In-house technology experts and ownership of our proprietary technology enable us to integrate into other system and service to enhance competitive position and coupling in-house knowledge in ability to customize our technology, our ability to innovate customer and merchant, customer centric and innovation, the core business. Thank you. Bye, Prithivesh Finance. Have a great day, guys. Bye.